We back. We back. We back. We back. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure you comment and subscribe. Subscribe. We're almost to 100. If I had a third hand, that would have been cool, but if you follow me on Instagram, you see where I asked my followers, did they want an updated twist out routine? And it was unanimous. I got yes across the board. Y'all asked for it, so here it is. The original twist out video I did where I reviewed Eden Body Works products and I showed you how I do my twist outs, and that's how I did them. But I had this ridiculous huge section of fluff right down the middle of my head, and it has ruined many a style. So since then, I have updated how I do that particular section. The rest of it's pretty much the same. Here it is. So, let go. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. If you're a real OG, you know why my hair is in twists. I begin by making my first section here. Even though this is off to the side, I do this for every twist. I detangle just using my fingers, no comb or anything like that. I start with my leave-in, raking that all the way through, being sure to detangle with every product that I put on this section. I'm applying my oil, and then I realize almost immediately how stupid that was. And finally, my cream. This is why I'm an LOC girl. Okay. And then I take this section and I will two-strand twist it up. Once I get all the way down to the bottom, I'm going to twist that around my finger so even the ends of my twist will have definition as well. Here's my problem child. I'm taking this section that's in the back of my head and I'm twisting it from this direction. I'm going straight out of my head. I'm not pulling left. I'm not pulling right until I get further down the twist. That is how I be sure that this twist is going in the direction I want it to go when I take it down. Anything that is not in that back section, I twist up regularly. So I'm gonna keep going across this back section all the way up to the top of my head. But y'all get it. I'll be right back. Twist out so bomb it even fixed the lighting. I'm rubbing in my oil this time. Live and learn. So starting from the bottom of each twist, I'm going to unravel it all the way up to the top. To separate, I give them a little twist to the opposite side. That way, the way my hair naturally separates is easier to find. And it wouldn't be right if we weren't joined by my tiny human. Now using my pick to just pick out my roots. Here's the back, and there's no stupid fluff anywhere. And this is the final look, y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Self-love is the best love. See you next time.